Would you like to take some awesome smartphone videos and pictures like this? In my hands, I have this thing called the Pivo Pod. With this, you can sensationalize your videos and smartphone photography. Watch till the end to not miss out on any cool Pivo information. Awesome! So a brief background about Pivo project on Kickstarter. It has since raised $500,000 US, way short of their $25,000 stretch goal. Unlike many other Kickstarter projects, they have shipped their products and we have received ours. Very good news for Kickstarter project. So backing Pivo on its base tier gives you the starter kit, which consists of a large Pivo case. It's very sturdy. It contains all of your Pivo equipments. It's big and lush. Consists of a quick start guide, micro USB to USB cable, an Allen key, adjustable mount, the actual Pivo Pod with the panorama head, and the remote control. The Pivo Pod feels very sturdy but lightweight at the same time. You can easily detach the panorama mount from the head by turning it anti-clockwise. In the front, there's a power button, and at the back, micro USB output to charge the Pivo Pod. You can pull out these three stubs at the bottom of the Pivo to make it more sturdy for a better videography and photography experience. Does it look more sturdy to you? If you want to get tilted or angled images, you can attach the adjustable mount. You simply detach the panorama mount from the head and attach the adjustable mount. Use the Allen key provided to adjust the tilt and angle of the head. To begin, you need to download the Pivo app from the Play Store or the App Store. You can mount your phone either in portrait mode or landscape mode, and you can fasten the grip at the back. To turn on, press and hold the button for 3 seconds until you see a blue light. To turn off, just press and hold the same button until a red light appears. If you're pairing your handphone for the first time, turn on your Bluetooth and your location. Go to the Pivo app. Say you have this, and press the connect button. If you want to save the device, you can do so. You recognize your device, your handphone, the next time it pairs. So right now, you can start taking awesome photos with your Pivo. What's nice is that it comes with a simple instruction guide telling you how to use your Pivo on your first startup screen. Take a look once you get your Pivo app and you get your own Pivo. Pivo feature number 1, face tracking. Pivo feature number 2, flash. Pivo feature number 3, tiny planet. The one on the left is inside in and on the right is inside out. Pivo feature number 4, many me. Look at how I take all of me in one video. See the fails. Number of tries I took just to get a very nice shot for many me. It was quite a struggle taking the shot, but I decided it was fun, persist on to get this final many me shot. Take a look at it. You can even squeeze up to 15 of you inside one picture. Pivo feature number 5, 50-50. A mix of a still shot and a GIF. Pivo feature number 6, double take to a cool fast feature double shot. Pivo feature number 7, time lapse. This is a cool time lapse that you can get with the Pivo. Usually time lapse come in very expensive cameras, and it's pretty nice to introduce this feature inside. Pivo feature number 8, perfect panorama. Now you can take good panorama shots with you inside. I'd like to give you my thoughts on the Pivo. Take a look. It's all very bright and sunny when the thing works, but of course, with every product, there's bound to be its drawbacks. So I faced this issue while working on the Pivo. For example, it takes a lot of time to render the image. Images take okay time to render, but the more difficult ones like GIFs and videos take very long to render. Using the 50-50 app function, and it takes a long time to render. I'm running a Samsung Galaxy S6. I know it's kind of old, but I'm sure the Pivo manufacturers, the Pivo guys have created an app that works with many of these current generation of phones. If it's a full spec issue, then I can't do anything about it till I get a new phone or get a better camera. I expect the newer phones like the Huawei P30 to work very well with this Pivo app. Similar to running a PC,
if your phone specs don't match up to the video editing software, it may take a longer rendering time. If it's the Pivo app, it's better that we provide feedback for them so that they can fine-tune the app and make it a more wonderful, wholesome experience. If this response is good, I'll do a separate video detailing how I took each photo for each individual function, so that it will be a very cool bonus for all of you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll do my best to read all of your comments and reply to all of you. Do check out my latest video on the gaming on the 6-year-old PC, or you may see all my other tech videos in my tech playlist. But remember to click on the RealMelTan logo to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to know when I put up new videos. This is RealMelTan out.